Understanding, weighing the risks. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase, weighing the risks. Understanding this phrase is crucial not just in everyday conversations but also in professional settings. So, let's dive in and break down what it means to weigh the risks and how you can use this expression effectively. Weighing the risks refers to the process of carefully evaluating or considering the potential negative outcomes or dangers associated with a decision or action. When we weigh the risks, we're metaphorically putting the possible risks on a scale to see how heavy or serious they are. This helps us to make informed decisions by comparing the potential drawbacks against the benefits. Now that we understand the meaning, let's see how to use it in conversation or writing. Here are some examples. Before investing in the stock market, it's important to weigh the risks and rewards. The company is weighing the risks of launching a new product during an economic downturn. As a doctor, she always weighs the risks before recommending a surgery. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to highlight the consideration of potential negative outcomes before making a decision. Weighing the risks is a fundamental part of decision-making. It encourages a thoughtful approach to choices, emphasizing the need to consider the full spectrum of possible outcomes. This process is not only valuable in personal decisions but is also critical in business strategies, medical advisories, and even in everyday choices like whether to travel during uncertain times. Understanding and using the phrase, weighing the risks, can greatly enhance your English communication skills, especially in contexts requiring critical thinking and decision-making. We hope this video has helped clarify how to use this expression effectively in your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.